Xiaomi is introducing its new smartphone to the market. This is the flagship phone and basically is best camera phone. Hi friends, welcome back to my channel and subscribe my channel for more latest videos. Thanks. Smartphone will be equipped with one of the most powerful chipsets in the history of the smartphones, along with an octa-core CPU. There will be high quality LTPO AMOLED touchscreen display and size will be 6.73 inches with supports 2K sharp resolution and 120 Hz refresh rate. There will be a massive 12 and 16 GB of RAM. Here is 3 big storage options: 256, 512 GB and 1 TB. No need of worry about the storage. There will be a super fast ultrasonic fingerprint sensor under the display. The smartphone will ship on Android 15 operating system. There will be a big battery pack. That's all for now and thanks for watching.